Well, hello everyone. Let's begin our lesson 8 today. You're going to warm up by looking for patterns in rectangles. So, what is the pattern, keyword here, of these three polygons? You're going to look and make predictions about what future rectangles are and if your pattern is true. Please write that down in your available space so Miss White know you did the work. So please hit pause now as you continue to work on it, and when you're ready, unpause it so we can go to the next step. Okay, here is 8.2. 8.2, we are working on proportional or finding proportional relationships through equations. So remember, as in last lesson, not everything is a proportional relationship. So please use the equation F equals 9 over 5c plus 32, where F represents degrees Fahrenheit, this guy right here, and C represents degrees Celsius, this side right here. So use this equation to fill out this table. Remember though, C here is always going to fill in here at this C, all right? That is how you're going to find F. So for the first one, you will do F equals 9 over 5 times 20 plus 32 to get this friend right here. Okay, hit pause so you're ready to move on. All right, for number 2, use the equation C equals 2.54n, where C represents the length in centimeters, this friend right here, and n represents the length in inches, our other column right here in the table. So you are trying to solve for centimeters, which is C. You are going for the first equation, going to have C equals 2.54 times 10. All right, that is how you're going to find this box right here. Please work through the equations to find the rest of the box. Hit pause, and when you're ready, hit unpause. For the third question, are these proportional relationships? Remember, proportional relationships, you are only doing one thing to the number, these numbers right here. For example, see how it does C24 times 10? Now, look at the other equation. Is that one proportional? If so, if not, answer the question, please. Hit pause while you do that, and then you can move on. You are not doing this section of the lesson. Please do not do it. You will be confused, and it will take a lot of time. All right, here is 8.4, all kinds of equations. Here are 6 different equations, okay? Predict which of these equations represents a proportional relationship. Remember what you learned from the last question up here. Remember what you saw in the pattern between what was a proportional relationship and which one was not. Okay, let's go on down here. All right, so please predict which one of these equations is a proportional relationship. When you're done, move on to filling in the tables. Please remember, you are going to plug X in right here to get Y. In this column, you are dividing Y, this column, by X, this column, okay? Don't overthink it. Please work through and solve each one of these tables. When you are done, hit unpause. All right, for number 3, does these results change your answer to the first question? That means, do you want to change your first question? Now, the first question is up here. Predict which of these equations represent a proportional relationship. Were you right? Were you not? Why are you changing it? All right, that is what you do to answer this question. When you are done, move on to question 4. What do the equations of the proportional relationships have in common? What about the equations up here? Right here, friends, right here. Have in common. Which ones are proportional? That is what you're answering down for question 4. All right? Now, please read the lesson summary. Okay? This will tell you if you have any misconceptions. Read this. Use it for when you are doing your practice problems. All right? It's important. All right? If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me. I'm always will respond via email. All right? Enjoy your weekend. I will see you on Monday.